Hey, what's up guys? We are back this week with a new video and we're gonna have a change of scenery. We're actually downtown Atlanta here at Mercedes Benz Stadium for the Atlanta United game. So we're gonna have hopefully a blast, hopefully get some dubs here. And yeah, here we go. All right, so we just made it into the stadium and just a little quick shot here of the big Atlanta United Falcon.
I'm sorry, no one can hear.
Yeah, check this out. All right, we got the goated fan right here, #1 Atlanta United fan. How about you, 69? All right, we got the hypest lady over here. She's gonna hype us up.
Hey, you! Atlanta United!
Hey! All right, we have made it to the stadium. Check this out. Yo, we got some good ass seats for this game. Yo, we are right next to the field, bro. Yo! This is the best seats I've ever had at any kind of sports event. This is crazy. Section is going off. Well, we're a minute in the game and we're already down 1-0. So great start, great start.
And somebody's hurt.
That's real tough. It literally was a minute. It hit 1 minute and they scored. Bruh, oh my God. All right, we got a set piece here. We do something. Take two, come on. Woo! What a save, mate. God damn it. God damn it. Oh, here we go. Come on. Saved again, man. Yeah, that guy just got decked. Another chance, man. Oh my God. Well, he just got toasted, man. 2-0.
Left one.
Shoot! Y'all be diving all game, bro. They've been diving all game and the man gets clipped in the shin. All right, well, it's halftime. It's 2-0. The refs have been selling the whole game. Atlanta United's been selling their shots. So Honestly, I hope we can just tie it up. So we were trying to find our friend and somehow managed to get up to the 300 level and there's no one here. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Uh-oh. They've been diving all game, bro. This guy's on the ground crying. Oh.
Keep going! Keep going! Yeah, 1 foot at a time! 1 foot at a time! Yeah!
Oh, look, there he goes. Oh, he's running just fine now. He was just holding his knees, screaming in pain. Now he's right back in the game.
Dickerson guy can't rush.
Alright, this ref sucks. That's all I gotta say. This ref sucks. And Columbus Crew, y'all bitches. Ref, you suck! Ref, you suck! Ref, you suck! Ref, you suck! That's what I've been saying! This is what I've been saying! I'm glad everyone's on the same page here. United!
Gentlemen, the referee has added 5 minutes of stoppage time.
5 minutes?
5 minutes.
Dude, there's 2 of you! Come on! Minute, god damn it! They took the 90th minute, man.
Atlanta goal scored by number 4,
Fuck! That was a hell of a shot. Come on, come on! That was so opportune! Fuck! Fuck! Bro, that was so fucking close. That was right there. The equalizer was right there. Woo! GG's. Fuck! That's tough, man. That's real tough. It's so close, bro. So fucking close. But damn, bro, disappointing result. But fuck.
I mean, it was a good game at the end.
Yeah, the last 10 minutes were the best part of the game, bro. That's real tough. Yo, first day Atlanta United game. Now we at MomoCon, bro. What is this? Be dressed up. The fits. They go hard. Hey, hey, hey. Yo, that kind of slaps. Hey.